Now, up first this evening, a crisis in the making, a drought developing across the country with less than normal rainfall leading to dangerously low levels at water catchment facilities island-wide.
Now, Archie, the Met Service says things are not expected to improve in the near term.
It gets worse. Added to those water woes, this summer is gonna be hot.
Yes, and TVJ's Kalisha Williams spoke with the head of the Met Service, Evan Thompson, about what to expect.
But he also had tips about how you can prepare yourself.
It's been a rainy day in sections of the corporate area on Thursday, but not enough to impact water storage facilities currently running low of the commodity. This is what the Mona Reservoir looked like in early 2018, but now the water level has fallen below 30%. It's a similar situation at the Hermitage Dam. Head of the Met Service, Evan Thompson, says the situation is not likely to improve anytime soon, as forecast rainfall in May is not expected to be enough to ease the drought.
However, the projection for the rest of the month is that we will get near normal rainfall. So we are still expecting some rain, but the mere fact that we have been experiencing a deficit over the past few months, going into May with just normal rainfall might not be sufficient to take us through the summer months.
With higher than normal temperatures predicted for the summer months, it's expected that the water shortage will continue. It's a situation which is further compounded by the road constructions underway in sections of the corporate area.
The quicker we get done with that kind of work, the better it would be as we move forward, especially because, as I said, we are looking for extremely or higher than normal temperatures.
Mr. Thompson says the uncertain rainfall is most concerning, along with the high temperatures this summer. He indicates that heat strokes are possible. So what steps should be taken?
We really just have to ensure that what we do is conserved.
Okay. Anything else you'd like to add?
We just have to be mindful that there are a number of changes that we are expecting to see, maybe not in this season, but in seasons for the future, because climate change is a real scenario. It is playing out in our situations. We're seeing heavier than normal rainfall in short spurts. So we're seeing flooding events, and then after that we have long periods of drought. That's what is expected under climate change. As it is now, the best thing for us to do is to conserve.
Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.